Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove background noise on Audacity. The first thing you want to do once you open Audacity, you're going to simply tap on record as you want to record a quiet background. So you want to ensure that your background is quiet and you can record it for about 6 to 7 seconds or even longer. The longer the better. I would say normally 10 seconds. Once you have done that, just like what you see that I've done right here, all you'll need to do now is select the entire audio track, and then you're going to go over to the top menu option. You're going to tap on effects. After you have tapped on effect, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select noise removal and repair. And from here, you're going to select noise reduction. And you want to tap on get noise profile. So the blank audio track that you recorded, the background noise without anything, is to get the noise audio profile right here. So you're going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on the X to clear this audio track. Now you're going to tap on record once more. Once you have tapped on record once more, let's say I were to open one of my recent tracks. So let me open one of the recent tracks right here. Once you have opened the recent track, so let's say this one, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on select once more, and you're going to tap on select all, and this will be the track that you want to remove the background noise for. After you have selected the track, you're going to tap on effect once more. After tapping on effect, you'll select noise removal and repair, and you're going to select noise reduction. Now that you have selected noise reduction and you have gotten your noise profile earlier, you're going to tap on OK. So you can tap on OK right here. After you have tapped on OK, you will realize that the background noise is now removed. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.